ChildFriendly's attendance module allows you to meet the specific needs of your center. Attendance tracking is critical to childcare operations, reporting, and the safety of children. With ChildFriendly, from one convenient screen, you can view every space in your center and customize the layout to fit your specific needs. At a glance, view how many staff and students are signed into the space and how they are grouped for max group size allowances. Click into the space for further details or search for specific children and staff between spaces with just a few clicks. Our various attendance reports provide all the information you need right at your fingertips. For example, dive into each child's individual attendance tab to see their daily attendance. And if there's an error, editing attendance is a breeze. For a comprehensive view, head to Records in the Attendance dashboard. Here you can search any date and time range to track who is in what room at any given time. This feature is invaluable, especially for when incidents occur where your licensing officer requires you to submit a report indicating exactly who was signed into the room at any given date and time. Efficiently manage and monitor attendance with ChildFriendly.